Hello, ho, 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 and yeah, welcome to the first part of the HTML tutorial series, which is kind of a little crash course for programmers, like me, who kind of do project where you always find yourself reading HTML code. And yeah, this course we won't dive that deep into HTML, more like creating a big overview about the general tags, how HTML works in general, without any special extensions, special settings, anything like this. And for that I'm, by the way, as an IDE, I'm using Visual Studio. Just opened I don't even opened an empty project, I just opened it without a project. Then I opened an HTML file, and yeah, simply that. So yeah, let's do that. Let's simply go to add existing website, or in this case, new. Come on, new, and yeah, file. Now we have many options because it is an HTML tutorial. We wanna do a new HTML page like this. Now the main tags are already set. We will dive into what each tag means later. And yeah, but we already have an HTML file that we can view as it is a website. For that we click CTRL or STRG, depending on which keyboard you're using, then Shift and then P. But yeah, now that's important. First of all, you have to save the file using STRG or CTRL and S. Now you need to save it anywhere you want. Let's just save it in any folder. It should be in the source folder of Visual Code, but I guess it don't really matter that much. Just save it. And now it's running what I mentioned before, STRG or CTRL, then Shift, then P. I'm totally sorry, I mean W. I will make a little watermark in the, CTRL, Shift and W to view it, and then your browser will open. And now we already view the empty website as running on our local host. This one is a port, and this one is a file. Okay, but it is 100% empty. Can right click and I guess it was this. Sorry, this is by the way in German. It means just view source code. We can already view what we simply typed. Now let's get back to our file. Now let's set the title. Let's say a title. Let's say title, they see me coding, they haten. And and this one simply sets the title without adding anything to the website in general, but we will come to this later. And let's type in a tag. So tags in HTML begin with is less than, with the less than button, the tag followed by the is greater than, then the gap, and then you repeat the entire tag again, but with a slash. And in this one we can type what this could be the headline. Headline 1 means, I guess it is a shortcut for headline, H1. We can type in something like the biggest headline the world had ever seen. Now headline 2, the same goes for headline 2, but it will be slightly smaller. And the good thing with Visual Studio is that usually when you create the first tag, the second, the closing tag or the tag that closes it is already set automatically. Now the headline 2 is I like big headlines, but sometimes you have to get shorter. Now The same goes, we can get lower and lower with increasing numbers. Like the H6 should be the lowest number possible. I like also small headlines, but I have problems telling the truth. But yeah, as a website does not only contain headlines, but first, before we come to paragraphs, let's save our website, Ctrl+S and Ctrl Shift and W. Now I do it right, and here we get it. The biggest headline, I don't have to read this, you can see it for yourself. And also important, this is simply the address with localhost and stuff like that. Now you can see they see me coding, they haten. Yeah, so paragraphs, pretty simple. Just type in a P. Now we can type in here a little text. I will just type something on my keyboard. Let's type this and new line, and you will be surprised, but even if I click on enter, nothing will really happen. He will put everything in a line depending on the depending on the size of our window where we are viewing the website. So what we need is a break tag, like let's do it here, break. And now he will set a new line. So again, Ctrl+S, Ctrl+W. Let's view it. Oh, wrong one. Ctrl+Shift+W, come on. Yeah, now we have it. And here we have the letters, or I typed in the keyboard kind of randomly. Here's a break. And here you can see random. Yeah, this doesn't have a proper meaning. It will surprise you, but it doesn't have a proper meaning. Another tag that is commonly used is HR. Oh, let's do it here. Let's do HR. Also a tag that stands for itself, so we don't need a second tab like in break, because break means only one thing. It doesn't have an end, and this one creates a simple line. Maybe you're thinking, what the hell does he mean with that? I will simply show you. Here we go. Now there you can see this line between our paragraphs. Okay, next tag is, by the way, cursive, using an I, something cursive. Okay, let's add some spaces to make it better visible. As Ctrl+S, Ctrl+Shift+W. Here we go. Where's the cursive? Here's the cursive stuff. Something cursive. Now you can see it here. If you want it underline instead, use INS, and he already made the right closing tag. Now let's see. S and W. Now it's underlined, and of course there is big. Now let's combine it with underline big. Okay, let's do it. Let's do the closing tag here. Come on. Again, let's try it. Ctrl+S, Ctrl+Shift+W, and now it is also big. And these are some of the many tags that are possible in HTML. And the next thing we are gonna look at are attributes. In the next tutorial series, attributes, we are looking at images and hyperlinks. And with that in mind, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you hopefully in the next part. See you and bye bye. Oh, wrong button to end it. Hello.